Welcome to our project session. Today, we're diving into an essential safety project, building a flame alarm using an Arduino Nano and a flame sensor. This setup will sound an alarm and activate a red LED whenever a flame is detected, helping to alert you to potential fire hazards. Let's get started and enhance your DIY skills. Here's what you'll need for this project: Arduino Nano, flame sensor, red LED, passive buzzer, some connection wires. Before we proceed with the connections, let's briefly discuss how the flame sensor works. When a flame is present, it emits infrared radiation within a specific spectrum. The sensor's filter allows it to selectively detect these wavelengths, triggering an output signal to indicate the presence of a flame. Now, let's jump into the connection process. Follow the schematic closely to ensure accurate connections. Plug your Arduino Nano into your computer and launch the Arduino IDE. Ensure you select the correct COM port, then upload the provided code. And there you have it, your very own flame alarm system. If you found this project helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more exciting DIY content. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.